Hey, what's up guys, this is Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Camera 7.3 in any Android. So before proceed, if you haven't subscribe us and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. Now if you done it, let's get started. By the way, this video is supposed to live on channel a week ago, but because of some traveling or some other issues, I couldn't make it. So if you just want to have a quick tech update or news or anything else, you can also follow us on Instagram, or you can also check out our website where we upload tech content, blogs and so many other things. We already upload a Google Camera APK in our website also. So now let's get into the video. So first of all, let me tell you the device I'm using is OnePlus 7, which is running on Android 10, and this trick is gonna work on all the Android 10 devices out there. So if your device is running on Android 9 or 10, and this camera APK should work on your device. So you may need to try a couple of APKs from different developer to install this camera application. You can find out all those APK from our website or directly from Google Camera official website. So you can just go to link in the description and go to our website and download this camera application for your device and install it. Now let me give you a quick overview of this camera application, then we will talk over some sample shot. Now first talk about night sight mode, and here in night sight mode here you can see that you can enable astrophotography mode in your rear camera, but you can't enable astrophotography mode in your front camera. But the good thing is that you can use night sight with your front as well as your rear camera. Now in portrait mode, you got all the options like selfie illumination, HDR plus option, beautification option, timer, pixel show and everything. The good thing is that you can also zoom in and zoom out in your front camera as well. You can also use zoom in and zoom out with your rear camera application also. So zoom in and zoom out is going to work with all the camera modes. Apart from that, let's talk about normal camera application. Here you can see that you got all the options, like whatever option you have in portrait mode except the portrait mode feature. Apart from that, in video mode here you can see all the things, and I found only one bug in this camera application. In slow motion, camera got crashed. Apart from that, everything else is working. Panorama is working, photo sphere working, timelapse working, lens feature is also working. Now what I most love about this camera application is you can zoom in and zoom out in any camera mode, which you can't do sometimes in your stock camera application. Even with my stock camera application in OnePlus 7, I can't zoom in and zoom out in front camera. So that's very good thing about this Google Camera application, that you can zoom in and zoom out. Apart from that, if you talk about settings, here you got all the features like social share option. You can enable this from the settings menu of Google Camera application. And here once you enable, you got this social share option, so you can directly share your photos with your social media. Apart from that, you got lots of other options like gesture, grids, frequent faces, advanced option and camera resolution kind of thing. So you got all these options. Like you can also have a video stabilization option here. Let's check in advanced. Here you got all the basic options like HDR control, raw photos and all these things. So the camera application I'm using is based on Lenovo's latest Gcam 7.3. You can try some other developer application also. Now let's check out some sample shot from this camera application. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified on all future videos. And if you haven't followed me in my social media, then you can follow me in my social media form in the link in the description. And this is Dipesh signing out. Meet you soon in next video.